Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and More. Today I'm sharing with you a lovely project that I made using various videos here on YouTube. I have to send a shout out to Susie's Craftroom, where she is honoring Guy Kerr on her channel by doing various projects that she's made, like her tutorials, and then she's kind of giving her tutorial on how to make it. She linked Guy Kerr's tutorial, which is a flip out booklet, which is what I made. To use it, I used Artymaze free kit to her subscribers. I will link these three ladies' channels in the description box below so that you can see it, along with one more tutorial, and I'll share which tutorial or with what for what in my project. So as you can see, the booklet is very thin. Here's the front, here's the back, and can you believe that this little booklet is made from one sheet of 8.5 by 11 tea-dyed paper. So it starts off, I made a pocket. Look at the kit, it's just beautiful. I added the lace. I put a tag here that also came from the kit from Artymaze. Isn't it beautiful? Now, to decorate the top, usually we put a hole here or staple stuff and then leave the ribbon long. But since it was nice and thin, I want to send it to somebody in the mail, and I wanted it as flat as possible. So what I did was I took a piece of triangular paper that kind of went from this point to this point. See the little triangle in the background? And then I decorated that little triangle, and then I glued it on the tag. It turned out great. As you can see, the tags, there's nothing sticking out. I found that when I do stick out ribbons like that and I send them in the mail, I usually have to fold them over, and it creates bulk in the envelope. I also backed them up with tea-dyed paper, and I sewed all the way around with my sewing machine, and I distressed the edges. But this came as part of the kit, which I love. It has a butterfly. Oh, beautiful. So there's the front, and I also distressed the edges. So then you open it up. This right here came from another tag from the kit, and I cut out the little layering that they had done, and I made a journaling card with the bits and pieces that were left over. Distress the edges, and then it flips out. This is an image from the kit. Put a little lace, and this also, I'm gonna have to close this one. Flips out. Put a little journaling space right here. Came with a kit. And then I did exactly the same as I did with the tags. I did a little triangle piece, and I decorated it because I wanted it to be flat, see, and nothing is disturbed as far as the decoration and as far as the booklet. Then I put a tag, I'm sorry, I'm gonna put my cup there. Okay, the pocket that came with a kit, and then I cut out another tag. It's that came with a kit. I printed out a tags in regular paper, and then I backed some of them up in the tea-dyed paper to make the tags, and then the rest I use them as embellishments. And then this was, believe it or not, the other half of the tag, and I used it as a journaling card, leaving space for the recipient to put more stuff in there. Another pocket from the kit. Oh, I'm sorry. Another pocket from the kit. I made a paper ruffle here with a tea-dyed paper that was left over from cutting this part. And then I layered that lace ribbon that I love from BB Craft, and I sewed on there, and then I glued it here. What I did was I glued it here and here so it will give me a tuck spot. And I made this little thing, which this is the other link that I will put in the description box, and it's to make envelope tabs, where you take a little piece of paper, you fold it in thirds to kind of resemble like an envelope, and then you decorated, and you can put them anywhere on your pages, but I'm going to put it right here to add to the decoration, and then the person that gets this can open it up and write in there with more journaling space. I think it turned out really cute. This is another tag. I sewed around and backed it up with tea-dye paper, and then decorated it the same way with a piece of triangular paper, and then little embellishments that I had here and there. Now on here, the kit came with an envelope, but I cut the top off of the envelope so I could use this as a tuck spot. Put some lace there. Another beautiful tag from the kit, which I sewed around, backed with tea-dyed paper. Did some more decorating with that piece of triangular paper, and then just bits and pieces that I had. And like I said, look at these two tags. This one actually closes on top, and there's no interfering. It's very flat, and it looks really cute. So then you tuck this in. And this was the envelope that I cut the top off of. And so I sealed the envelope, I cut the top off, and then I glued it to make a pocket. And I put one more tag from the kit, sewed all the way around, decorated it with a triangular piece of paper and some bits and pieces, and then backed it up on tea-dye paper, distressed all the way around. And so this little booklet came, like I said, from Susie's Craftroom, from Kerr, and then the kit came from Artymaze. And I will also put the little link for the envelope tab, so in case you're interested in making it. I think it's a very cute little book. Great for flat mail, and I don't think I'm going to... Oh, there we go. So, let me see. Let me show you again. When you gift it to somebody, it would be like this. But then as they open it, it flips out, flips out, flips out. And then there's one, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So then you close this. Oops, I always forget this way. So let me show you the back. So both sides are decorated, and it only you only use one sheet of tea-dyed paper for the background, like for the base of it, and then you decorate it as you wish. It's a very easy project. And I so thank Miss Susie. Thank you, Miss Susie, if you're watching, for honoring Kerr. I have seen her videos before, but for some reason I must have skipped this video or something because I hadn't seen it. So thank you so much for sharing it on your channel. And as I said, ladies and gentlemen, you watching me, I am going to link everything in the description box, in case you're interested in seeing the free kit from Artymaze. Miss Kerr's many videos and tutorials that she has on her channel. And also go check out Susie's Craftroom on YouTube. She's been sharing the way she's going to honor Miss Kerr this month, and various projects that she does, and just beautiful handiwork. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. What did you think about my decoration using the triangular piece of paper? Let me know down in the description box. As always, I hope you have a great day, and happy crafting, guys. Bye.